up? It's Taylor. Welcome back to another vlog. It's another new week. Today is Monday, so let's try to make it count because time just flies by so quickly. I'm sure some of you guys can relate, but I feel like I always struggle the most on weekends to stay on track with my fitness goals just because I'm like going out more and I have like a bunch of family stuff that I do, so it just gets really challenging to stay on top of things. And it's kind of annoying because I feel like I lose my momentum that I built up all week and then I just have to restart the next week. So I'm just trying to find a better balance with that, but there is no point in dwelling on the past. All we can do is try to make better choices today and here on out. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. Also, I'm actually starting this vlog off at 6 o'clock in the evening, changing things up a bit. It's so humid out today. It's like 80 degrees and raining, so my apartment just feels awful because our air conditioning here actually hasn't gone on yet. They are turning it on Wednesday. So yeah, I changed into this outfit because I'm just so hot right now. But this top is really cute. I just recently got it from Target. It's like ribbed, and I also got it in a black color. It's just like super comfortable and flattering. And then my jeans are from Fashion Nova. They're one of my favorite pairs of pants because I just think they're so cool. I was in the mood for some breakfast for dinner, so I'm cooking up some scrambled eggs right now, and I have a bagel toasting. Okay, doesn't this look so delicious? I'm so hungry. So we got ourselves an everything bagel with butter and then that garlic salt. And then I have 2 tangerines, some nuts, and then I tried out this new recipe for some scrambled eggs that has sun-dried tomatoes, green onion, goat cheese, spinach, and just like salt, pepper, and whole milk. And it looks super fire, so I'm really excited to try it out. Good morning, guys. It is now the next day. I have a very busy day ahead of me, so I have some pet sittings that I have to go to in a little bit, and then I have to meet a pet owner tonight, and I'm also going to brunch with Arie's family at like 1 o'clock. So I'm trying to get my workout in right now so I don't skip it. And I'm actually gonna do an arm workout. I know, super surprising. I never do arm workouts, but I've been really wanting to start incorporating them into my workout routine because I kind of just want like more toned arms. I have a really hard time keeping up with arm workouts. Like, as you guys have probably seen on my channel, I've done some before, but I never really keep up with them. I don't know, I'm just not really good at like consistently training my arms, but I want to. And people said this 6-minute YouTube workout video that I found was really good and that they actually saw like a difference in their arms in like a few weeks. So I'm just gonna try that out and see how it goes. So I got these 3-pound dumbbells off of Amazon, and I got them in pink, my favorite color. They're so cute. Also, please don't mind my hair. I slept in it wet because I took a shower last night, but I don't usually like to do that anymore because it leaves my hair super frizzy. But I just really needed to shower and I didn't have time this morning to do that, so I just had to roll with it. So now I'm annoyed, but I just put it in some braids to kind of tame it a little bit. So, you know, just gotta deal with it. I just got back from my cat sittings and got ready for brunch. So here is the fit. We got a thrifted flannel. It's actually Arie's, but I just stole it for the day. And then this tube top is Fashion Nova. Jeans are Fashion Nova. And then we got some high top Converse. It's a little giving farm girl summer vibes with the braids, but hey, it's cute. Hey Nella, do you want to say hi to the vlog? You haven't been on here the whole time. You're so beautiful. Guys, look how hot it is in my apartment right now. Literally 80 degrees. Are you kidding me? Luckily, my apartment building actually turns on the air conditioning tomorrow, so we only have to stick this out one more day, hopefully. And Arie and I actually just ordered a bed jet. It's basically like a little hose that kind of goes into your bed and just like blows cool air into it to keep it really nice and cool while you're sleeping. So I'm really excited for that. It actually gets so hot in this apartment in the summer just because of the windows. It just brings in so much sunlight and just like cooks this place up into an oven. So that'll be super clutch. Arie and I decided to spend this lovely afternoon outside playing tennis. Arie's been teaching me a little bit, and yeah, here's the fit. Just a sports bra, an old one from Forever 21, got a pearl necklace on, and a cute tennis skirt from Princess Polly. We're ready to go. I just made one of my classic go-to dinners. I showed you guys this in a recent vlog, but it's just teriyaki shrimp with rice, and I did some edamame on the side. I also started watching a new movie because I'm just a movie addict sometimes. I love movies, but I'm watching Matilda. This is one of my favorites. It's so good. I have a really random bathroom hack that I wanted to share with you guys. I've actually been wanting to tell you for a while, but I keep forgetting. But basically, it just helps you keep your bathroom clean, like easier, I guess. So you just take your used makeup wipes. If you don't use these, then you can't really do this hack, but I do. And then you just like clean up your sink with it. It's like a wet wipe basically. And yeah, just like a quick, easy way to get like 2 uses out of it. So yeah, it's pretty convenient. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna head to bed here, but I really hope you enjoyed this video. I had a great time filming it. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe for more. It really helps support my channel, so I would really appreciate it. But yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing week. I will see you in my next video. Bye!